Yes, Arabella, nothing's sacred. They have breastfeeding rooms for people, but, you know, you'll probably be glad when I give this camera back to your grandmother. Yep, I bet you will be. But they love you, honey. Look at them. Look at them. You're a good mommy girl. You're such a good baby. Now the next thing we've got to do is figure out how to get this off the camera onto the computer so we can send it to everybody and show them how well your babies are doing. Oh, well, I can tell you're very interested, aren't you? You want some privacy? Look at them. Say, ooh. Say, stop zooming in on my boobs. You're such a punk. You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. I'm proud of you. Yeah, I know we had a rough start, but you've turned out to be a beautiful mommy. Yes, you're a very good girl. You're awesome. Yes, you are. Okay.